Hello, everyone. My name is Ethan from the Tech Cubed, and we also have.
Andrew from the Tech Cube as well.
Oh, so yes, if you didn't know, we're actually both owners of this channel, and well, yeah, today we're actually going to be doing a $400 PC build, actually under $400, and this excludes Windows 10 because that would just be way out of the budget, and
And
especially
normally, and normally you probably should have that already.
yes, um, especially if you're looking on YouTube for a good build. Most YouTubers don't include the Windows 10. All
Or
right,
any
so
OS.
all right, so
For
the
for the
first.
motherboard, we're using an Asus ATX DDR3 1800 H170 plus D3 motherboard.
Yep.
For the once this loads, come on.
Yeah, he's actually somewhere else. We're actually skyping right now, so that's pretty sick.
For RAM, we're using Kingston HyperX Fury Blacks 8 GB 1866 MHz DDR3 CL10 DIMMs, which is actually, considering its gaming RAM, it's actually really good.
I'll do the case. For the case, we're using a Corsair Carbide Series Spec 02 mid-tower gaming case with a really nice side viewing panel, so you can see all your pyrotechnics in there. And yeah, and that's just only useful if you have good wire management, and I do not.
For the CPU slash processor, we're using a Pentium processor G4400 3.3 gigahertz 2 megabytes of cache, and this processor model is LGA 1151. So, and if you're wondering where the graphics card will be later in the video, the CPU actually has integrated graphics in it. So, yeah. For mass storage, we'll be using WD Blue 1 terabyte hard disk drive, 72,000 RPM, SATA 6 gigabits a second. For an SSD boot drive, we're using Kingston Digital 120 gigs SSD now, V300 SATA 3, 2.5 inches, 7mm height solid state drives. For extras, we're using a Sabrent 2.5-inch to 3-inch internal hard drive disk mounting kit. This is because the SSD tends to be smaller than the hard drive, and normally if you put in the hard drive cage, it won't fit, so you have to use an separate item.
All right.
For the power supply, we are using a EVGA 400 W1 80 plus bronze rated 430 watt continuous power supply plus a 3-year warranty.
All right. So again, if you see here, this is our subtotal, and we're making out with a steal and with $395.84, and we actually saved $210.57. So you better get this now, or your deal is gone, boy.
Oh
You
wait, didn't you forget something, Ethan?
what?
It's permanent.
What?
It's actually permanent.
Oh yeah. So that's just about the end of the video. We're just trying to, get you guys a nice gaming PC. Hopefully you guys can get this for your birthday or Christmas. So yeah.
Or make it as a gift.
Oh yeah, forgot about that one. Or just give it to your nephew for gaming, whatever. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Andrew.
In the next video. Peace!